Think about that right now. We gotta get in there.
Because it is the will of Awa. If I cut now, do you think Awa will come to save him? No. Your goddess.
Now give me the knife.
Show me how this works.
It's empty, no thunder.
Make thunder. Kill the youngest one.
No, please, please. Down! Stay back, get back. Charlie, good. Ready? All right, kids, on me. All right.
Now you take aim. This.
Yeah.